Good morning. We're at the cat factory. Building alley cats. You can see we got some almost done, some in process, some without much of anything done. Going through the parts and pieces. And today we have a cameo appearance of Mr. Rick Magnuson is with us.
Cameo appearance.
In the house.
In the house. Rick is in the house.
Rick is in the house building his own alley cat here this morning. So as soon as I die, he can take over. Yeah, well, that's not going to happen anytime soon.
No.
But Rick's been a fabricator his whole life. And so I gave him the opportunity. He's my best friend in vintage karting, and I gave him the opportunity to come in here and weld his own frame together. I had it all bent up. He's going to be sticking around here for a couple days while we get this all done, and hopefully we get to hand it off to powder coat just before he leaves. We'll take a trip over to Horkins and drop this off, and you'll get to see the powder coat facility and such. And
sure enough.
Just a fun time. What do you think so far, Rick?
We'll make it fast. Make it fast.
And anybody can think whatever they want.
There's a lot to it.
About the jig and about my big fancy welding table that I have here. And we keep saying it's not how many tools you have, it's what you know how to do with your tools. So Rick, what do you think about this morning? I mean, how's this going together?
Well, this is going together well.
So what was your comment about flatness and square, etc.?
All it takes is a tape measure and some levels, and it's all in the hands of the builder.
And that's exactly what we're doing this morning. I mean,
exactly.
I mean, we're this kart's square within under a 1/16 of an inch.
Nothing wrong with that.
The angles are exactly where they're supposed to be.
Absolutely.
Using an angle finder on everything. You can say what you want. You can think what you want. I could have a 2,000-pound welding table here with 2,000 holes in it to clamp everything down, and it won't make a better go-kart. So at the end of the day, it's what you know how to do.
Yep. Doesn't matter much what tools you've got. It's how you use them.
So even though the shop still looks junky, I did spend a day down here cleaning before Rick came.
Told me how much of a pain I was because you had to clean up first, you know.
That's right. That's right. I even took a shower and cleaned up before you came. So there you go. Life is good.
Life is good.
I didn't, and it's Wisconsin wintertime. I didn't have to do it outside with a water hose. I do have a shower in the house, so we're good.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So we're moving along here.
Yeah, doing pretty good.
We're about 1 minute from leaving here and going up to have lunch. We've been working, well, really, we've been working, what, an hour and a half?
Sure.
Now, remember, everything's pre-bent.
Right.
And it's all these things like brackets like that we hand fabricate, all the brackets. Everything is hand fabricated. Anything that goes onto this cart, you don't buy it, you have to make it. So at the end of the day, it's a lot of hours. It was hours before he got here. And we'll be welding all day on this. So thank you, Rick, because I was starting to get tired of welding.
Well, thank you for letting me get involved.
The 5 of these in a row is a handful.
Wow. Yeah, it's a winter's work.
That's right. It's a winter's work. That's why I don't have time to do a lot of other projects, and my engine building projects have taken a big hit because of this. So if you're beating me on the track, it's because I don't have time to work on my motors.
You're building go-karts.
Yeah.
Yep. One rear engine at a time.
That's right. You know, volume discounts that gave you 10% operational expense. So then, out of now, if you have a good year,
because on the you know, the one cart I got a bracket that kicks